I wish I could just enter. I feel like she's trying to please you, sweet, like
She said, take your time with some rush. I said, baby, I'm a dog.
hello and welcome back to my channel. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Chris Kathy. Get ready with me while I share my opinion about the summer item pretty. I hope you guys like the video, comment, like, share, subscribe, and yeah, I don't know. I really do hope you guys, enjoy the video. Okay, so I'm going to start off with the primer. Yeah, my Lindos primer. How can somebody hold belly and ask her like, "Belly, please, what's your problem? Like, what are you thinking of? Like, really, what is it like? Can someone just squeeze squeeze?" Like, okay, so we're moving on to the foundation. For foundation, I'm using the Sacha matte. About the summer is so pretty. Like, Belly, you have the perfect brother. Like, there's nothing wrong with Conrad. Yeah, like, I'm not saying Jeremiah is a bad person. Jeremiah is not bad, but then again, I feel like Belly is trying to please Jeremiah at the same time she's like forgetting like herself in the process. Because tell me why Jeremiah, like, yes, it's your wedding also, it's your freaking wedding also, Belly, but you don't have to like do things Jeremiah's way. Like, for instance, look at the is it the cake or the flowers, whatever it was. He was saying, oh no, he wants this, he wants that, he wants this. And you know fully well that you do not have the funds. You are in 20K debt already. You haven't even finished college, like you haven't even settled yourself and all of that. And Jeremiah is just trying to please his father. It's Ray can actually do that. I feel like Ray hasn't had the time to like be on her own. From like like she moved from Conrad to Jeremiah so fast, so freaking fast. So she hasn't had the time. I feel like she hasn't had the time to like be by herself and like think. She hasn't had the time to be by herself, enjoy her space and all of that. But she just like went from one brother to another. But then again, oh well, And then again, who am I to judge? Who am I to judge? I can't judge her. But then again, I just feel like Belly should have like had some time by herself before diving from moving from one brother to another. Because Claire, and the funny fact is that she didn't have the time to get over Conrad. She just like switched 1 minute, 1 minute. Oh, Conrad is the love of my life. Conrad is this, da 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 da, and all of that. The next thing, I'm moving with Jeremiah. Belly, come on now. Belly, come the freaking on. Like, next thing is Jeremiah, and you're planning a whole wedding. Like, and Belly is like matured. She needs a matured person. She needs someone that's emotionally matured and all of that. In my own opinion, and I feel Conrad might be the person. Conrad is the person, obviously. He's the person. So anyway, this foundation is making me look dark. I don't know. When I first got it, funny enough, when I first got, sorry, I know I'm switching. When I first got this foundation, it was looking bright in store. Now that I'm at home, I'm using it. I don't know, it's looking dark. I don't know, is it just me? But anyways, they say trust the process, right? So we're gonna trust the process and see what is going to turn out like, because it looks good though. It does look good, but I don't know. I feel like it's darker. But oh well, we don't know. So let's just see how it goes. Okay. Next up, I'm using my LA Girl. I don't know if you found. I said found it. LA Girl. Prime. What's this called? Concealer. Oh, I don't even know. I don't even know what's going on. I'm using my LA Girl concealer. Okay. So in the video where the lady, this is how I'm not doing it properly. I'm actually not doing really well. So back to the whole belly situation. The weather looks so, you know that it was shining, like the sun was shining so bright like few hours ago. All of a sudden, I think it's drizzling outside. I'm like, oh, weather, be for real, weather. But anyways, back to my conversation about Belly. Why Belly needs to pick Conrad? Now I've switched the topic. I don't know what I'm saying again. Anyways, Belly needs Conrad in her life. Like, Conrad is the man. Like, look at, oh, and it's funny how you can forgive like Jeremiah for cheating on you, but you cannot forgive Conrad. Like, Belly, make it make sense. Like, how can you forgive Jeremiah for cheating on you, but you cannot forgive Conrad? Because Conrad, yes, Conrad did fuck up, but then again, he lost his mom, and then at the moment things got hard, he pushed her away. Yes, I do not accept what he did. Nobody, yes, people, other people do not accept what he did. But then again, he decided to go with Jeremiah that cheated on you. Like, Belly, come on, come on. Like, sometimes I feel like I wish I could just enter the show and like, you know, and slap Belly, just like give her a slap on the face. Like, Belly, please, you're making the wrong choice. But in the book though, I couldn't hold the suspense anymore. I couldn't hold it anymore. So I ran to read the book. So in the book, it ends up in my mind. So I'm not worried. But then again though, I feel bad for Jeremiah though. I don't know why, but I feel bad for him. I feel like Jeremiah hasn't like gotten his shit together. He hasn't gotten his shit together. Him, on the other hand, is trying to please his father. He's trying to like do what his father wants. He's trying to like sit right by his father. I understand that, like, but then again, people pleasing isn't an easy thing. You end up losing yourself in the process, like literally ending up losing yourself in the process. But oh well. I hope Jeremiah, like, he comes out of that and he figures his shit out. Because Jeremiah does make a good. He's actually a very great guy. It's just that I feel bad for him. I feel bad for Jeremiah, but then what can I do? What can I do? I can't do shit. I can't do anything but just feel bad for him because oh well. And did you know the funny thing? Do you know the funny thing? The funny thing is that Jeremiah knows. He knows that Bailey still loves Conrad. You know all these type of people that they know very well you haven't moved on from this person, but they still want to shoot the pin. Want to shoot the pin. They still want to like be in your life. And the love that she has for him is not going to be like the love she has for Conrad. And plus she didn't even have the time to heal and get over Conrad. I think I've said this already. She didn't even have the time to get over Conrad. I think this makeup look is coming. It's coming. I think it's coming along. I think it's coming along. Yeah, it's coming along. Yeah, it does look like it's coming along. At one point, I thought I was, you know, oh well. Okay, so I'm using. Oh, I forgot to show you guys what I'm using. This is what I'm using. My Powder palette, the Sacha palette. Yeah, sorry, the Sacha matte. I'm using the Sacha matte. This is what I'm using. I'm using the translucent powder for my under eye. You know, just a little, not so much. So back to the whole thing. And the funny thing is that there's this video. Okay, back to the Jeremiah Bali, the TSIP situation. You know the funny thing? The funny thing is that yeah, most people are waiting Jeremiah announcing Conrad, which is so cute and funny. Like, bro, like, weren't you the one that was dying for Jeremiah? Weren't you? Like, right from when I started season one, I knew who I was for. I knew who it was gonna be for me. Conrad. Conrad is like the end game. Conrad. Like, bro, it's just that Belly doesn't know what she wants yet. She doesn't know, but she's going to know soon. She's gonna know very soon. Real soon. If she doesn't know, it's enter the screen and beat her. And beat her. But the funny thing is, like, oh god, I just pray that it ends the way it's ended in the book. Because if it doesn't, it's gonna be a problem. And you make it end the way I want it to end. End it with my Conrad. With Conrad. So yeah. And but I just wish. And the funny thing is, sometimes Taylor, yeah, not like Taylor is a bad friend. Taylor is a very good friend. But sometimes I wish you could just like tell Belly, are you sure? Like, ask her some questions. Like, ask Belly some questions. Ask her, what is it, Belly? Ask her, how do you feel about the situation? Like, but then again, I just feel like they haven't really, Taylor hasn't really like asked questions and all of that. Hasn't really like asked questions to Belly. But I know my sweet girl. She's gonna be alright. Like, the highlight of episode 7 last week is during her bachelorette when she was Elizabeth High, Elizabeth was like whatever, yeah, and she was dancing, and then We Can't Be Friends by Ariana comes on, and then she's like thinking about Conrad, and I'm like, this is what I have been waiting for, finally. And it was so nice when she went to the bathroom with Taylor, and she was like, oh, she only ever pictured Conrad, and I'm like, we only ever pictured Conrad. Okay, so basically, oh my god, like, I feel like this makeup is coming, like it's coming. Like, I was saying, it's freaking coming. And at one point, I thought that I had lost my touch. Like, that was so dumb of me to think. Anyways, I think it's coming. Anyways, so basically, I just want someone to like hold Belly, like just hold her, tie her up, and tell her this is the man for you. Conrad is the man for you. Do not let Jeremiah deceive you. Jeremiah is just here for fun. Okay? I'm not trying to like blast his character or something. But look at it now. Just check it. Barely check this thing. Really, what I know is Conrad. Conrad or no one else. Just if you don't pick Conrad, if Belly ends up not picking Conrad or anybody like in the series, she should just step on her own. Like, figure out herself. Like, she needs to know who she is. It's not the one like just be jumping from one man to another. Like, come on, Belly, come on. We know they are both so handsome and fine, whatever. But then you need to think about yourself in the process. Like, so moving on, I'm using the blush palette from CPD. I don't know if you all can see it. Yep. This is what the inside looks like, and I'm about to show you. in five, four, three, two. This is what it looks like. So I'll be using the what shade is this? I don't know, but anyways, I'm using this pink for this. Oh no, I don't know any pink that looks cute, or I'll just use the dark, whatever. Uh, mm, mm. Like I can't wait. I cannot wait. I can't wait for episode 8 of the Summer in Tom Pretty. Like that's the wedding. Like bro. Dun, 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 dun. The wedding is about to start. The wedding is about to start. I just hope that I don't know, like anyway, sure. Anyways, the funny thing is that all I can do is like give my opinion. It's not like I can make a change to what has already been done, you know. So I just like give my opinion like a normal, ordinary human being. Just let my opinion flew. Belly had better end up with Conrad. If not, it's not like I can do anything. Funny enough, it's not like I can do anything. But then again, I just want her like if she doesn't pick Conrad, I just hope that she ends up being happy because all of this I care about her belly. So I'll
I
be
care about
using
her. No,
sorry to cut for the powder. I'll be using the L'Oreal and powder. So yeah, back to Isabel Conklin. Like I was like really expecting what's this her name? Taylor. I was really expecting Taylor to be like, oh Belly, what do you want me to do? Should we leave? Like what do you think? Like Taylor just kept on pushing them together, shipping Jeremiah and Belly together. Like, come on now. I know you're being her friend, but then again, you need to tell her the truth. Tell her the truth, please. You need to tell her the truth so she'll come off her whole delulu, whatever it is. So, oh well, oh well. Am I the only one that when doing makeup, I totally forget about my forehead? Like, not like I dislike it. I do love my forehead, but sometimes I forget about it. Like, I forget like my forehead is even there. Like, is that really possible? Like, is that possible? So I'm going to use my Sacha Matte palette. I'm just going to like go in with my Sacha Matte palette and just add a little bit of powder to the face. Like, am I the only one that forgets that does that? Like, I keep forgetting my forehead. Like, sometimes when I'm doing makeup, I'm done now. Then I'm done. Then I'll not be like, oh shit, my forehead. Like, how can I forget my forehead in the process? And it actually does come out well. Like when I forget my forehead, my forehead is like really after everything we have been through. But anyways, sorry forehead. Sorry, it's not. It wasn't intentional. I didn't forget about it. It's not intentional. I hope you can forgive me. So back to this whole thing. So my makeup is actually coming up. Like it's eating. So it's eating. Anyways, guys, it's gonna be fine. It's gonna be alright. Honest. Okay, so for my inner eye, I'm going to be using the Gentle Dove Cosmetics eye pencil. Gentle Dove black eyeliner, rather. I said eye pencil. But anyways, oh well. That is scary. I'm already tearing up. I'm already tearing up. God, I just have to be still.
Still can't give it up. Lead me on, but leave before the morning comes. Even though it's what we
Okay.
want,
Yeah.
can't keep it up.
Okay. I think I've gotten
But
it.
I just
Yeah.
don't wanna leave it. Might just
I did my makeup off camera. I'm done. I just want to like set my face. More with the whole belly situation. I hope she picks whoever makes her happy. And we all know that is not Jeremiah. It's not like he cannot make her happy. He can. It's just that. And plus, another thing is that Jeremiah also hasn't spent time alone with himself. I think. And yes, I. Anyways, all I can say is that if Belly ends up picking herself, she can pick herself. Yes, no problem. She can pick herself. She ends up picking Jeremiah at the end. I will find a way. Enter the screen. deal with her, because what do you mean? Like, what exactly do you mean? Like, you have someone here, and the funny thing is, Jeremiah feels like he knows her, but he doesn't know her the way Conrad knows her. Like, this is the final look. I didn't say it to my face because I'm more like going somewhere. I just want to like make videos. I'm also going to make videos for TikTok. So yeah, this is the final look. I haven't this hair. This is what I look like. Like, I actually did it with this look. Like, it doesn't look like I did it, but at the same time I did it. Like, anyway, you see, lashes always give makeup like this perfect look. Oh well, guys. Oh well. Anyways, if you watched my video until this very end, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, comment, and you know, spread the word. You need to spread the word. And if you've watched this very moment and you have not done anything, do you want me to come and find you? I can find you. I will find you. Okay. So please, 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 please don't make me come find you. Subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and do like spread the word. Just spread the gospel. I said the gospel. Just spread the word. Okay. What are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button. Okay. Bye, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
On to what we know is